Character of the Week!
So, which DreamWorks characters just scream best friends, Aaron?
No hugs, Jimbo.
Julian and Maurice?
It's me, King Julian. And Maurice, of course. Say hello.
Sup?
No.
Lucky and Spirit?
Woman?
This is our destiny.
Hiccup and Toothless?
Yes, of course it is. The bestest friends of all. Take it away, Hiccup and Toothless.
Let's show them how it's done.
This week it's Best Buds Forever, and there's no better Best Buds than Hiccup and Toothless.
You can trust us.
Did you know Hiccup's full name is Hiccup Horrendous Haddock III?
We talked about this.
And right as a bird, Hiccup is 15 years old.
Oh, you don't say.
He's the son of Stoic the Vast.
Yeah.
And a member of the Hairy Hooligan tribe.
I know.
Hiccup lost his foot in a battle with a red death dragon.
Easy, bud.
And his replacement metal leg was made for him by Gobber,
Hey!
mentor and, very close friend.
Okay.
Hiccup's dragon is a night fury called Toothless. A night fury? He's super fast, can fire a powerful plasma blast, and also has a mechanical tail fin after his own tail was damaged.
All right, bud. Let's do it.
The bond between Hiccup and Toothless is strong. They're both clever and brave. And when they're together, their flying abilities are unrivaled.
Are you seeing this?
Hiccup has green eyes, lives on an island called the Edge, and has a very soft spot for Astrid. Uh-oh. He's gonna kiss her. Hide your eyes, kids. Whoa!
What took you so long?
Well, it is the Valentine's Day episode, I suppose. That was Character of the Week.